Insane footage from inside a Ukrainian Humvee during combat from the 59th Motorized Infantry Brigade. Thank you to the American people. Your Humvees saved the lives of Ukrainian soldiers. The war can end if Ukraine receives cluster rocket munitions for HIMARS, said Ukrainian advisor Dan Rice. If you get 2,000 cluster rocket munitions, I think the war will be over. It's that simple. 88 submunitions in one projectile increases the combat power and the chances of destroying the Russians by 88 times, he said. In Germany, tens of thousands of such projectiles await disposal, while they will allow the soldiers of the Ukrainian armed forces to strike at Russian artillery and defuse mined areas, as they have a range of up to 45 kilometers. The Azov Brigade has returned to the front, said the director of the Department of Planning for the Use of the National Guard, Urshalovich. The legendary Azov Special Forces Brigade has recovered and started carrying out combat missions in the Serebrian forestry area in Luhansk region. Heroic Ukraine tank crew charge into Russian positions and do as much damage as they can until Russian artillery zeroes in on them. Then they retreat, carrying their rather large testicles with them to safety. Russian field warehouse of anti-tank mines TM-62 is destroyed. Ukraine is intensifying its counteroffensive, bringing into battle one of the large units that were in reserve, the 82nd Brigade. The number of the brigade is 2,000 soldiers. It is armed with Marder and Stryker armored personnel carriers and BMPs, as well as Challenger 2 tanks. The brigade entered the battle on the Melitopol direction. The buildup of airborne troops around Robotyny can lead to quick successes of the Kiev forces, Forbes journalists predict. Tonight, some Ukrainian soldiers reported that the Russian occupying forces were knocked out by the Ukrainian armed forces from the village of Robotyny. The Ukrainian General Staff has not yet confirmed this information. This is how the Russian Mi-8 helicopter crashed on July 27th.
Авария, вертолет, андан.
Ukrainian military from the Shadow unit with the Birds of Magyar damaged or destroyed Russian Strela-10 air defense system. Russian propagandists explain that the war is to knock some sense into our misguided brothers. Disgusting people.
Я просто хочу отметить, что нам не нужны подачки со стороны Запада в этом отношении. Украина является неотъемлемой частью русской православной цивилизации. Так было, есть и будет. И рано или поздно вернется в лоно славянства. Вот на сегодняшний день, к сожалению, приходится силой оружия России, как ледоколу, вразумлять, значит, наших оступившихся собратьев, или не братьев, как они себя называют. Поэтому под контролем киевского режима пока остается большая часть Украины.
Surely you have seen this video with a girl and Bentleys on the internet. The soldiers of the Ukrainian armed forces presented their version.
Bentley?
Краз. У нас нема такого. Краз.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.